Okay, very good, Safwan.
Sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Did you go to your school today?
Yes, I
Okay,
went.
okay, fine. Could you please attach it to your just neck?
Of course.
Very good. Should I start?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Let us start with our speaking session today.
Okay.
Let us go for picture one. In
Okay.
in this first picture, I'm watching a girl wearing pink dress, and she is taking picture with the with the camera.
But in my picture, I can see a boy with a blue coat is taking pictures with
Very good.
his camera.
Very good. Okay. So on the drum, the brand is the lizard.
But in my picture, the brand is Star.
Very good. Okay. The boy who is playing piano, he's standing and playing the piano.
But in my picture, the boy is sitting down on a seat and playing piano.
Very good. Okay. So one girl and one boy, one of them are playing violin, and the other is playing guitar.
Well, in my one is playing guitar and another one is playing guitar too.
Very good. Thank you. That is the end of your uh, part one. Let us move to part two.
Okay.
In that part, we are going to we are watching picture of Sarah's tennis club and Ben's swimming club. Okay, so I'm going to ask you some question from Sarah's swimming club. Okay,
Okay.
tennis club as well. Okay, what is the day of Sarah's tennis club?
The day of Sarah's tennis club is Monday.
Very good. What is the time of the tennis club?
The tennis club starts in 4:30 p.m.
Very good. Where is it located?
It's located near the park.
Okay. How long will the tennis club be available in the park?
The tennis club is available in the park in 2 hours.
Okay, very good. Who is the teacher of tennis club?
The teacher of tennis club is Mr. Drake.
Very good. Okay. Now, could you please ask me some question from your picture, which is Ben's swimming club?
Of course I can. Can you tell me what is the day of Ben's swimming club?
Okay, Ben's swimming club is on Fridays.
Can you tell me what time does Ben's swimming club open?
Ben's swimming club will open from 5:15 p.m.
Can you tell me where is this swimming club located?
The swimming club is located in Sports Center.
Can you tell me how long is the club open?
Ben will swim for an hour.
Can you tell me the teacher name of the swimming club?
The teacher's name is Mrs. Creel. Okay, that is the end of your part two. Let us move to part three. In that part, you are given 5 pictures. Synchronizing the serial of the picture, you have to make a story. Okay, so start.
One day, a boy named Nick found a cat in front of his backyard. So he gave the kitten some food. But one day he lost the kitten. So he put uh, some paper on the trees that this cat is missing. Then one day his grandmother got a phone that somebody found the cat. Then they get the cat and his grandmother gave Nick a gift.
Very good. Thank you. That is the end of your part one. Part three. Uh, let us go for the assessment. Okay. Now, in the first picture, you did fantastic. No mistake was there. Okay. In the second picture, everything went very well. No mistake was there. But in the third picture, to some extent, your story went reverse. Okay. So first of all, have a look there. Nick found a cat in front of his door. He took it inside of home and gave some food. Then he attached some missing notice on the trees, okay, in the locality. Watching that, a lady, elderly lady or a grandma, called Nick that I lost my cat. And then Nick returned the cat to the grandma, and grandma gave her a gift. Okay, to some extent your story went reverse. Okay, so in that case I'm going to offer you an 8